good idea is to keep this machine up to date. Xforce actually brings out updates quite frequently, and to find those updates will be in System and Update Center. This device is currently completely up to date, but if you did have an update, it would be in this section here, and it'll let you know whether it's the latest version or not. So you must be connected to internet for this to update, and even for it to tell you if there's an update, it needs to connect to the internet. But it's as simple as clicking update, and that'll update itself straight through the machine. Thanks guys. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.